How to draw a beach ball. To begin, we're going to make a big circle in the middle of our paper. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, those are great circles. Now we're going to draw a smaller circle inside the one that we just made. We're going to draw ours towards the upper left side of the ball. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our beach balls together. Great job! Now we're just going to add a few lines for details. The lines that we draw are going to be slightly curved, and they're going to be going from the smaller middle circle to the bigger outside circle. Altogether, we're going to have 6 curved lines on our beach ball. Looking great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! This is how to draw a beach ball. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.